Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages on Grindr. First, let us open the Grindr app. Then log in your account. Once logged in, you can see here on the bottom multiple tabs. Click on the message icon. You will see here messages with other person. Find the conversation you want to delete, then swipe left. You will see mute and delete option here. Pressing the mute will mute the conversation. You will not receive any notification regarding this conversation, and clicking on delete will delete permanently this conversation. You will not be able to recover it, so make sure that you want to delete it and it's final. And that is how you delete messages on Grindr. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.